Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica. First, let's get comfortable. Hold your harmonica with the low notes on the left. This is typically hole 1. Ensure a relaxed grip. Next, we'll focus on producing clear single notes. This is the foundation for all harmonica playing. Practice isolating one hole at a time, either blowing or drawing air. Aim for a steady, pure tone without any buzzing or multiple notes sounding. Proper breathing is crucial for a good harmonica tone. Breathe from your diaphragm, not just your chest, for consistent airflow. Imagine you are sighing or fogging a mirror. For embouchure or lip position, form a tight seal around a single hole. Your lips should be relaxed but firm, like you're sipping through a straw. Practice blowing and drawing air gently and evenly through each hole to get a feel for the instrument's response. Now let's make some music. On a C harmonica, the blow notes in holes 4, 5, and 6 form a C major chord. The draw notes in holes 2, 3, and 4 are also very useful. Try playing a simple 3-note melody, like Mary Had a Little Lamb, which uses just a few holes. Focus on smooth transitions between notes, whether you are blowing or drawing. Combining these basic notes will allow you to play many familiar tunes. Once you're comfortable with single notes and simple melodies, you can explore more advanced techniques. Bending notes, for example, allows you to create bluesy sounds and access notes not naturally present. This involves changing the shape of your mouth and tongue while drawing or blowing. Experiment with different rhythms and tempos to add more character to your playing. Listening to experienced harmonica players will also provide endless inspiration and help you develop your unique style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.